Starting a business with a small amount of capital is possible. I'm not saying it's some जादू या मैजिक कि आज तुमने 10,000 रुपये डाले कल तुमको 10 लाख रुपए मिल गए. ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. अगर कोई तुमको बोलता है कि ओ माय गॉड मेरे पास एक मैजिक जादुई ट्रिक है या ये कोई नया ट्रेंड या वायरल हैक आया है इंडस्ट्री में कि आपने इतने पैसे डाले आपको इतने मिल जाएंगे, प्लीज रन अवे फ्रॉम इट. देयर इज नो वायरल हैक. All you need to do to make a scalable and a constructive business is to identify gaps, identify the problems that are existing in the market, and make your way from a small capital to reinvesting in the business. That's how you go ahead. Before we move on to the ideas, I need you to understand कि capital की requirement क्यों इतनी ज़्यादा होती है और कहाँ पे होती है in the initial stages of your business. So सबसे पहली चीज़, you need inventory. तुम बेचोगे क्या? If it's a physical product, it could be skincare, makeup, clothing, home decor, candles, anything. There is a product, there is inventory that you buy. अब वो inventory ना तुम अपने रिस्क पे खरीदते हो. तुम्हारे पास जितना कैपिटल होता है तुम उसके बाद जाके उस इन्वेंट्री को खरीदते हो. इसमें एक छोटा सा नुआंस है. If you don't know whether your product is validated, you have decided कि तुम्हें क्लोथिंग ब्रांड खोलना है, तुमने रैंडम जाके कुर्तीज़ तुम खरीद के ले आए, तुमने अपने 25-30 हज़ार उसमें डाल दिए एंड उसके बाद तुम्हारे पास कोई कस्टमर ही नहीं है उन कुर्तीज़ के लिए. मे बी द प्राइसिंग इज़ नॉट राइट, मे बी द प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी इज़ नॉट राइट, मे बी द मार्केट इज़ नॉट राइट, विच यू डिड नॉट वैलिडेट बिफोर गेटिंग योर इन्वेंट्री. That is a problem. So right now, if this is your first business and you have a limited capital, you need to really stay away from inventory based businesses before validating your product. So what you can actually do with your 10,000 rupees is to use it viably for testing. Now what is testing? Say for instance आपने कोई भी business model को select किया. It could be anything. If you want to go with a physical product, you want to go with a service model, you need to put in some funds to actually test your idea. That testing is completely feasible in 10,000 rupees and you will earn something from it which you can reinvest in your business to make it scalable and to make it running. The first thing is niche print on demand stores. Now hear me out carefully because I am not talking about the generic POD. I am talking about building a community, digging deep into a person's interest and then finding what are the designs that a person resonates with, coming up with maybe 20 to 30 designs that resonate with that particular customer and making a store. Complicated लग रहा है ना? उतना है नहीं. Let's take an example. इस store को देखो. They only make t-shirts for people who love hiking, who love trekking. So it's a community. आज जो trekking में इतना ज़्यादा interested है, वो show off करेगा उस चीज़ को. They will be feeling proud that okay, I love trekking and I'm wearing something related to it. That is a community that these guys tapped into, and you will be amazed when I tell you the revenue that they make. So what you need to do is you need to identify कि कौन सा ऐसा passion है, कौन सी ऐसे interests है जो लोगों के इतना ज़्यादा deep है that you can actually create designs out of that. अब POD करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. There are websites available where you can just upload your designs and the product will be shipped directly to the customer. That is one way. If the cost is feasible, you can go ahead with that, or you can also look at local suppliers. आजकल ETF machines या printing machines बहुत ही ज़्यादा common हो गए हैं. Go to IndiaMart, look at people who actually have these machines, negotiate with them, maybe get a few pieces for testing, like say 10 to 12 pieces, run meta ads on that, develop a basic landing page and go for it. The next thing that you can do with a small amount of capital is service business but smarter. Look, you need a big capital to actually reinvest in your business. अब अगर तुम्हारे पास स्टार्टिंग में छोटा कैपिटल है, तुम एक सर्विस बिजनेस से स्टार्ट करके उस कैपिटल को बढ़ा के भी एक फुल फ्लेजेड बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. दैट इज अ परफेक्टली गुड वे टू थिंक अबाउट इट. You can be good at a lot of things, but you need to pick one thing that you're great at. It could be video editing, it could be making graphics, social media posts हो गए, content strategy हो गई, it could be recording videos. It could be writing content. It could be anything, any one thing that you think you are great at and people can pay you for that. So तुम अकेले, you can list yourself on Fiverr, you can create your own Instagram page, उस पे तुम ads run कर सकते हो and get clients. Now, this is a very basic way. सब लोग करते हैं ये चीज़, इसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है. नई बात कहाँ है, उस चीज़ को अच्छे से सुनो. Go to Internshala, go to Fiverr, pick up freelancers who are ready to do your work at a slightly lesser cost, set up terms with them and जो भी clients तुमको आ रहे हैं, you can give it to them at a commission. Say for instance you're getting 10 clients and they are ready to pay you 2000 rupees per reel, per video editing. अब तुम इतना ज़्यादा काम खुद भी नहीं ले सकते हो, you can outsource it to these people at a 500 rupee per reel commission. Now imagine this can become scalable as a model. What you need to do is actually set up a powerful page and run ads on it to get clients, because the rest of the work can be done by these freelancers. But this can only work अगर तुमको वो चीज़ अच्छे से आती है. If you think कि you can get done coding and all these complicated things जिसका तुम्हें idea ही नहीं है from freelancers, then this is not going to work, because the communication will be a mess, the client will not get their dream project, the freelancer will be confused and you will be stuck. So pick up that one thing and one thing only that you are good at. The third way to utilize your money and build a business is doing affiliate marketing, but smarter. Let me tell you exactly how to do this. The old way of doing affiliate marketing was actually by writing blogs and making people click on your links, and then they would eventually buy the product and you would get a commission. So this is the basics of affiliate marketing. Now, dig deep into niches. Now what you can do is make an Instagram page that is community driven. Look at home decor pages, home decor for only rental homes, decor furniture under 5,000, and you can actually demonstrate the furniture, make reels out of it, make videos out of it, make fashion videos, show clothing, cord sets, kurtis. Amazon से खरीदो, पहन के दिखाओ, return कर दो. अगर किसी को पसंद आएगा वो लिंक करके तुम्हारे लिंक से Amazon पे जाके खरीदेंगे, you will get a commission. This is the modern way of doing affiliate marketing, by actually picking one niche and not going with a generalized store, using Instagram to create videos for those products, mentioning your link in the bio so that people can easily purchase it and you get a commission. One crazy hack, a crazy hack do, what you can do is use AI. Amazon का अगर तुम्हें कोई कॉर्ड सेट या कुर्ती पसंद आ रहा है but you have not ordered it yet, you can use AI to actually create a model that's wearing it. Then you can create a video out of it, post that video on your profile. It will look like a model who's posing for that cloth. Post the link in your description and let the affiliate marketing do its magic. That is one way of actually building this if you're shy and you're not that confident of showing yourself wearing clothes or showing furniture. Use AI to do the magic. अगर थोड़ा सा भी confusion है, talk to me one-on-one and I will tell you in detail how you can do it, give you a plan about it. Another thing, you can set up an affiliate marketing system. Say for instance, there are small startups जिनके लिए सेल लाना अभी थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, D2C ब्रांड्स है, तुम उनको ये बोलोगे that you will set up an affiliate marketing system जहाँ से multiple affiliates will actually promote their products and उनकी सेल होगी, affiliates को commission मिलेगा. There are websites जिनकी वजह से it becomes very very easy. I will link those websites below. Please go ahead, explore that. बिकॉज इसमें तुम्हारा कमीशन भी इन्वॉल्व है, अफिलिएट्स का कमीशन भी इन्वॉल्व है, स्टार्टअप्स की सेल हो रही है. इट्स अ विन विन फॉर एवरीबडी. दिस इज द न्यू 2026 ट्रेंड ऑफ द अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग सेटअप. मूविंग ऑन, the fourth way how you can actually make your money to use is by selling digital products. मैं starting से सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ कह रही हूँ कि क्यों हम लोग बड़े businesses की तरफ अभी नहीं देख सकते, because हमारे पास capital limited है. But digital products is something that you can go all in on. Why? Because it's a product, people are getting value out of it, you are creating it, but there is no inventory, no returns. So एक बड़ा chunk of your money is being saved there. What exactly is a digital product? It's a PDF, it's a course, an ebook, a video that you sell to people so that they can get value. अब ये कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं that people will pay for? It could be something that is deeply, it could be something that, you know, a deep problem that they're insecure about, or something that they don't want to talk to people about, like, you know, losing weight. PCOD women, it becomes very difficult for them to lose weight. You can make a guide for them, run ads on it, talk about the problems that they face, make a community, and end up selling them your ebooks or your courses. That is the whole concept of digital product. You can explore various niches here. You can tap into educational content, finance content, entertainment, or simple problems that people face in the day-to-day life. I've created a list of problems that you can sell as digital products. If you want that, please comment down digital and I will personally send it to you. एंड अगर तुमको डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट बनाने का एक पूरा प्रोसेस समझना है ईजिली, जो तुम 10,000 रुपये में कर सकते हो, वेट फॉर माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट वेरी वेरी सून. This is the final pointer in this video. What you can do is you can start a fashion brand, but with a twist. I know I have been talking about creating inventory since the beginning of this video that it's not possible with a small amount, but I'm going to tell you a hack on how you can create a clothing brand without inventory. You need to connect with suppliers via IndiaMart. Suppliers se connect karo who have women's clothing, kids clothing or men's clothing. Take some pieces from them on approval. Approval का मतलब ये होता है if you're taking say 60 to 70 pieces, उसमें से जितने सेल होंगे उसका पैसा तुम उनको दोगे, जितने सेल नहीं होंगे वो पीसेस तुम उनको रिटर्न कर दोगे. This is called approval. Now why will the suppliers agree to do this? Because they have a lot of dead stock. They have a lot of inventory that moves slow and they are in dire need of cash because the credit cycles in this industry is 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You are going to give them within 7 to 8 days. The moment you receive the funds, you're going to give it to them. They are in a plus plus, you are in a plus plus because you don't have to hold any inventory. Now let's talk about how you can sell this. You can put up stalls in various exhibitions. जिस भी सिटी में तुम हो in India, I am sure you are aware of these different exhibitions that happen from time to time or different fleas that happen from time to time. You have to put up a stall from those products, whatever sells very good. वो products के तुम markup करके अपना price रख सकते हो. If the supplier is giving you for like 500 per piece, you can put up a price of 700 or 800. The markup is your profit. You have nothing else invested. That's your profit. The rest of the products go back to the supplier. इसमें तुम्हारा exhibition का setup cost, everything will be covered. You will understand what's working in the market, कौन से products चल रहे हैं, कौन से नहीं चल रहे हैं. The more profit you make, the more you can reinvest and eventually you will have enough capital to actually get your own inventory and put up in these stalls. The next step will be an Instagram store, a website, and you've made a scalable business. 10,000 एक बहुत छोटा अमाउंट नहीं है, बट अगर तुमने उसको कहीं पे भी लगा दिया, किसी भी रैंडम चीज़ में डाल दिया, just because you heard from some video or some guru told you what to do, then your money will be gone forever and there will be no way to retrieve it. But if the ways that I'm telling you right now, अगर तुमने उसमें से कोई एक भी वे सेलेक्ट कर लिया ना, I assure you, you will end up making some bucks. You will not lose your money. Be smart about it. Be careful about it. And if you want to talk to me about anything, if there's a problem you're facing in your existing business, or you want to discuss these methods in detail, or there's a completely new idea that you have in mind and you want to talk to me in detail, there will be a link in the description. I'm available on a one-on-one basis and we can discuss this. I'll see you in my next video. It's always a pleasure talking to you all. Bye.